Hey YouTube, I just wanted to do a quick video and look at potentially what could be big investments within 2016 to, specifically on individual coins. So traditionally, or over the last few years, the elephants have done really well. So the 2016 elephant, relatively cheap at the moment. I don't know if their mintages have gone up, quite possibly due to the popularity of them in the last 2 or 3 years. And these kooks, I think, could potentially go up highly in price, purely for the fact that it's compared quite a lot to the 2008 kook. And this, again, just people want to pay a huge premium for it. It seems to be a popular design, and judging by the reaction of a lot of people on YouTube and the community, it has, the 2016 has the same sort of reaction, and people love the coin. It's been really well received, much more than a lot of the other recent editions. So for me, these two are probably big contenders for going up in price in the near future. 2018, I would probably predict that the prices of these would go up. And then there's the Panda. So this is the 2015 one. For you guys in America, you probably noticed on places like Atmex, I bought this for $22, or probably I think it's just 21 something. They're now going for over $30 in the space of about 2 months. So that kind of gives you an idea of this 2015 Panda. I know it was a rare one. It had didn't have the weight on it, so it was kind of like a one on its own. And I picked up 6 of them, thinking, should I not? And I'm pretty glad I did, especially if they've jumped up nearly $10 in a couple of months. But they, like I said, they are a bit of a lone ranger. They were the only one that was done without the weight on it. They were the last of the 1 ounce, Troy 1 ounce pandas. So if you can pick them up at a good price, I would recommend to anyone do so, because I know there's a lot of fakes out there, but if you've got real ones like I have, and you're sure that they're real and bought them from reputable dealers, I think in the next couple of years you could make a good killing with these, and you know, get back a couple of few more dollars, few more pounds, euros, whatever your currency is, and put it towards other silver and get a little bit more for your money. The other one I've wanted to compare it to, I don't have it yet, but it's the Year of the Monkey. So this is year ago. The 1 ounce, they've always seemed to have charged over and above what normal 1 ounce coins have gone for, and they've seemed to hold their money quite well. But in recent months, and probably the last year, I've really noticed that people are investing more into the 2 ounce coins, and they seem to go up just as much as the 1 ounce. But they're a bit cheaper to start off with. So you get 2 ounces of silver. It costs less, goes up the same amount. Same with the half ounces. It kind of makes me wonder why pay a larger premium for the 1 ounce. And they're the only ones which have a limited mintage of 300,000. But does it matter if people are still making just as much profit buying them, flipping them, or keeping them for a few years and then selling them? To me, I think, you know, stay away from the 1 ounces and just go for the 2.5 ounces, maybe even the 5 ounce, and make just as much money for, you know, putting up less money in the first place. But anyway, that's just a little roundup. I know there's going to be some more coins coming out throughout the year, and you know, we had the saltwater crocodile, then the funnel web spider. It'd be interesting to see what comes up next. But crocodile did really well received. Funnel web spider didn't. Obviously the koalas coming out, they usually do lower mintages than you know, the kooks and stuff, and that's just probably purely for the fact that they do it on demand and there isn't the demand for them. But I think the runaway winner is definitely going to have to be the Kook for this year. I know there's a limited mintage, as there is every year, so I'm definitely going to be looking at purchasing as many of these as I possibly can. To flip them in about 5 years, I think would probably be a fair judgment, providing they come up with a few not so desirable coins in the next couple of years, which will then make this in the 2008 probably stick out like a sore thumb when you look at the collection as a whole. And although it's last year's, or still current this year's, the 2015 Pandas, if you can get them for a good price, grab as many as you can. Yeah, they're my predictions. Comment, like, subscribe, tell me what you think. If there's any other coins you think will be good investments, then give me a shout. Cheers, bye.